Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have given way to IM mock 3 on EG, and I'll display my score on the screen. VRC 9, extremely bad, DLR 18, quants 45 and total 72. Yeah, this time I have scored DLR better, far better. So we'll talk about it. VARC, firstly, throughout the mocks, I have given total of 16 mocks till now, and throughout my mocks this is the least score I got in VRC part. In sectionals I scored even less than this at the beginning of my preparation, but in mocks this is my least. And I don't know, I mean, if you have watched yesterday's video, I have scored 30 in that, and generally I score in between 25 to 30, 35 sometimes if the paper is kind of easy for me, or max to max I'll I mean the score will reduce to 20, and this is the least ever I have scored. Maybe I was not able to understand, I don't know. Like I have attempted two RCs overall, RC number 2 and RC number 3. One was on psychology and the other one is physics versus biology. So in these two RCs I have attempted three questions each. I know it is very less. The reason being I was not able to understand the RCs as well, because the other two RCs, RC1 and RC4, they were of my domain. Like especially if I have to talk about RC number 4, the statistics, that is a part of our program in my BTech when I used to do machine learning and data science. So I know everything about that. But again, when I saw those questions before attempting the RC, I know they have asked those none of these again, both of these. I don't know why do they give such kind of questions, or is it just me ranting on such kind of questions? I don't know. So I have left both RC1 and RC4 because they have similar kind of questions. But even in this RC2 and RC3, the questions were okay, but I was not able to understand the RC, I guess. So that's the reason I have attempted only 6 questions, and only 2 are correct from all those 6 questions. VA also I have got only 3 questions correct, and yeah, like that's the reason I scored only 9. I'll analyze it. I haven't analyzed it as of now. I'm directly shooting the video because I'll analyze all this mock tomorrow. Now talking about DLR, I have scored 18 this time. So if you are following me from so long, you know how much am I struggling to improve my score in DLR. Now the reason it increased from single digits to 18 is very simple. I'll tell you. Also, the 3 questions which I got correct, those are because of my calculation mistake. मैं ना हो जोश में थोड़ा ऐसे हवा हवा में कर रहा था कैलकुलेशन. आई शुड हैव यूज्ड पेन एंड पेपर टू ऐड द वैल्यूज़. मैं थोड़ा मतलब हनी सर को ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन ले लिया था, तो हवा हवा में कर रहा था और वो कैलकुलेशन गलत हो गया था. बट ठीक है, सो आई कैन ईजिली कंसिडर 2 सेट्स कम्प्लीटली करेक्ट. सो आई मीन 5 questions, 3 questions, 24 is my kind of score in this particular DLR, I would say. Now the thing is, out of the 4 sets which were given, the first set, as soon as the section, I mean DLR section started in the test, I understood we have to implement chocolate concept over there. I felt so happy. You guys know why I felt happy is because from last 2 days I have been revising, say, or let's suppose say practicing the set theory completely, and today I'll be completing it by the night. So when I saw that question, I felt happy because on Monday when I gave a mock, and in that also there is a set theory question, I told you how bad I felt, and whatever practice I have put in, ठीक है, मतलब main exam we don't know will it come or not set theory, but at least it felt good that whatever I have prepared I'm able to at least answer them in the test. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो गया, वो गलत, वो अलग बात है, बट ठीक है. सेट 1 is on set theory, chocolate concept. I have answered it. So 4 questions from there I have answered. 5th question I thought I'll do it later, but I didn't get enough time. After this I saw the questions of set 2 and set 3. Set 2 was kind of more familiar for me because we solved something similar in our miscellaneous puzzles. I thought I'll do it later because it is kind of time consuming, I would say. Set 3 is kind of new for me. I didn't practice much kind of sets. I saw those kind of sets, but I didn't practice recently, so I was not confident. Set 4 I thought I'll be able to solve it because it is on maximum and minimum concept kind of thing. I'm kind of comfortable with such concepts, so I have attempted it, and all the 5 questions from that particular set are correct. After set 4 attempting it, I have gone to the set 2, which I said, exports and imports wala set, but I was not able to recall, like I was still trying and the time got completed, so only 2 sets I have attempted. Now this is about the DLR part. Yeah, like at least I got some kind of improvement, I would say. Uh, so talking about the quants part now, you saw already my score. 15 questions I have attempted, all are correct. Thanks to my accuracy. Arithmetic say there are 9 questions. I have attempted only 3 questions. Now this is the point which I want to share with you. Algebra questions there are total of 7. I have attempted all the 7. 7 are correct. Geometry said there were 2 questions. 2 I have attempted. 2 are correct. Number system there were 4 questions, I would say. I mean, few questions are kind of mix up in between algebra and number system, but still I would consider them in the number system because the main concept we need to solve that question is of number system. So I have counted it in the number system itself. I think there are 4 questions in them. I attempted 3 questions over there. So the reason I have attempted only 3 questions from arithmetic, there are total of 9. I attempted only 3. Reason being, I kind of feel in the exam, not outside the exam. In the exam, while I was giving the exam, I kind of feel like those questions are lengthy. Arithmetic questions are lengthy, and I don't have much speed with respect to arithmetic questions. Is what I generally feel. So in the exam, also because I have recently revised my geometry and other concepts, I'm kind of more confident with these particular topics, and those questions seem little short and easy to solve. So that's the reason I picked those questions. But it should not be the case. In the main exam, I have to be ready to solve any concept kind of question as much as possible. But after the test, when I analyze my quants, I'll be solving those arithmetic questions as well. But this is a kind of small issue, I would say, in the quants part. So this is the overall test. So what I was doing in the morning, yesterday I have given a mock, you guys know. So today in the morning I was analyzing my LRDI and then the quants part. Then meanwhile we got this notification that we have to give way2iim mock 3. So after I completed my analysis of yesterday's mock, in the afternoon I have given the today's mock, and I still need to analyze it. I am shooting the video right now, and in the night I will not be analyzing it. I will analyze it tomorrow. Why? Because set theory ka few things are left out. I'll try to wrap it up completely by tonight of set theory, so that it will be clean. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days we got a break. Again on Saturday we have to give a mock, Lakshya mock. So these 2 days I'll try to wrap up the analysis of all the 3 mocks which I have given on Monday, Tuesday and today. DLR, BRC, everything is done. Quants ka thoda bacha, because I thought I'll do it later because any of few questions are only left. So that I'll be doing tomorrow and day after tomorrow. But the main part is today I'll complete set theory, and as I have already said, I have to revise my TSD and SACA. So firstly I'll pick TSD tomorrow. Again I'll take 2 days for that. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'll take for TSD. So yeah, this is the plan as of now. Covering TSD tomorrow, covering set theory, completing it today, and this particular mock analysis tomorrow I'll do it in the daytime. So this is the plan as of now. So see you guys tomorrow again. That's it for today. Bye bye. Take care.